Hey guys, thanks for dropping in on this video. This is just a quick video that I did last night as part of my stream, just highlighting some of the fun that you can actually have in week 13. I hope you enjoy it. This is a quick trucks race around the Daytona 500 legacy track, the bumpiest track I've ever experienced in my life. I hope you like this video. Please do click on the subscribe button or send us a follow, or even come and join us on our Twitch channel where we're starting to gain more and more traction every day with every stream that we do. We stream Mondays, Wednesdays and Thursdays, and it's mainly oval racing that we do on iRacing. I will be looking to change it up in the next few weeks and looking to add some different games and playing some different games. I don't know, we've even actually registered some GTA RP servers with James Buckley. James Buckley? Yeah, James Buckley from Completed Its Mates Twitch channel, so we might be giving that a go pretty soon as well. But I hope you enjoy this race. I know I did, and it was definitely a lot of fun trying to race these random trucks around the old Daytona track. So have a look, check it out. If you like the content, please subscribe and drop in on us on Twitch at some point soon. Enjoy. Well, this is going to be fun.
No, the last 3 I've done, we've actually made it to the end.
Really? With 10 laps?
Which craft have you been running? Last one I ran, we had 4 wrecks in between the first, 2 laps.
Do we actually get cautions in this?
No, there's no caution.
Okay.
No, this is pickup cup.
They have released a new schedule. I got it earlier. Someone sent it to me today. It's in my Discord. It's in my Discord. One of the guys put it up earlier today. So all the schedules there. I just haven't had a chance to actually read it. Yeah. Okay. All right. I get it. Too dangerous. Yeah, I hope everyone's got their 8-to-1 steering ratio on as well. Fuck me, did you try that? It's just uncontrollable. I suppose the whole fun of week 13
I got her bone stock.
The whole fun of week 13 is just to fucking arse around really and not actually worry about SR and IR, which is probably what we should be doing rather than doing official races, I think. Damn, why did I buy Kentucky? There is a fixed next gen series, there you go. So there's what, 12 weeks of that? That would be cool. Or that could make me buy it. I need to work out what tracks I need to get as well, because I got a concern. I bought a load of tracks at the start of this season. I don't really want to have to buy a load of others unless people are willing to give me loads of money in donations and subscriptions.
One lap to green, get ready. Line up on the inside. Pit road closed.
I don't know.
Next
We'll
up,
see.
9, sharp.
I'm purely oval now. So if you didn't know, we were a road racer, not a very good road racer. And about, what was it, Shepherds? About a couple of months ago now, I think, and Paddy, you were the first guys here. About a couple of months ago, we said,
you're knocking all the cones down.
we said no more road racing. We're oval only, and I haven't
that's
actually
it.
done a road race
Well.
since. So let's turn this off, turn the tyres off, in case we do get wrecked and we have to go pits. God, more money than sense, Dale. I thought that was my case sometimes. Is this NASCAR trucks? This is NASCAR trucks. This is week 13 dirty trucks in the old fucking Daytona bumpy hellhole that it is. So this is what we're doing. Daytona hell in rusty old trucks. Wish us luck, because I think we're going to need it. It sounds like these have been pretty wreck orientated. Oh, they're going so slow.
Hold your line.
and it's
Still
not.
there, still there.
Is it only 2 lanes?
Still there. You're on the bottom, 3
Oh,
wide.
what's the one car doing?
Hold it right there. Outside, 2 wide.
Jesus, man. He's going for it. Oh,
Clear.
oh my God, this is going to be absolutely mental. This is going to be absolutely
Car
mental.
outside.
No, go away, go away.
Still there, still there.
Why are we going 3 wide? Thank God for that.
Still there.
Oh, this guy's going to come up.
Clear outside. Car outside. Go low. Clear outside. Go low. Car inside.
Oh, get out of the way, get out of the way! Oh my God, we kept it.
Clear inside.
Wow. We're still alive. Holy shit. Holy shit. But we caused 1 death. I can't believe I made it through that. Fuck me.
Oh, kind of a done. Here we go again.
Are they going again? Are they going again? Oh, there's smoke. Okay, we're going to plow through. We're going to plow through.
97 put us 3 wide. I'm pretty
Yes!
sure.
Where are we? Up to 6th. Pedal to the metal. Wreckers or checkers, boys and girls. It's not as if we can get fucked somehow. We're in 5th now. Right, this is going to be epic if we can catch up to the top 5. I don't think we will. We need someone to push us, but... Or we just need the top 5 to have another accident. Which is probably more than likely, right?
Daggone, should have stayed below the apron.
Oh, what's going on now? That was one of the guys up front. Oh my God, where did these guys come from? Look, they're pushing, they're pushing, they're pushing.
Car outside.
Let's go, let's go.
Stay low. Clear outside.
I can hold my line, just push me, boys. Come on, James.
Keep digging. You're in 4.
Come on, James, keep pushing, keep pushing. Man, this is the most fucking intense race I think I've ever done. I'm glad I got the 16 to 1 on, because this 8 to 1 was horrendous. Right, we're catching them. We're catching them. Come on, James, keep pushing. Let's go, James, let's go. This is the train.
Choo choo.
Let's go, let's go. Choo choo! Daytona Express coming through. Come on, we can hold this line. We're fucking gonna nail it. We're gonna be there in no time. Some back markers first. It's fucking squirmy. These fucking bumps. Yeah, those top 3 are. That's the top 2. So we can get 3rd. He's just here.
My bad, my bad, my bad.
Oh, where's that? These are fucking fun. Guys, if you haven't done these, you need to go and do these around this track.
5 left to go.
My bad.
Oh, there's a dead one. There's a dead one. Right, we've got Ryan and Jameson, who are running side by side like a couple of idiots. Don't they understand what...
14, man. Why don't you help me? You get up front there.
Oh no. Oh no. Go high, go high, go high. It's the...
Car
It's the Trump car.
In the middle, 3 wide. Be careful on the inside. 2 wide. Clear inside.
What the fuck? Wow. Wow.
Nice work. That's the third. Great job, driver.
Right, Jameson's pushing us now. I'm leading this train if it kills me. No one's gonna get past. I'm gonna hold this bitch. Oh, there's another fucking wreck. 2 down. So J-Oy and Sebastian are 7 and 8 seconds ahead of us. Oh, come on. No, oh god. We've got 3 laps remaining. Come on, let's push, push, push. My foot is glued to the fucking floor. Don't go high, don't go high. Okay. We're catching them slowly. Jahoy's 7.3 seconds ahead now. Come on. Guys, if you're not doing this race, you need to get in it. Like, I think fuck the Affinity bike. This is too much fun. Right, who we got here? Curtis. Oh, get off there. Get off there. Thanks for staying high, Curtis. Thank you.
Clear.
Come on, we're going to bring this home for a podium now. This would be legendary if we can do that. Still 7 seconds off the top guys, the top 2. They fucking steamrolled through. It just depends what these guys are going to do at the end, whether they're going to fucking push their way through. This could be over pretty quickly. Oh, there goes one. Right, white flag. Just don't wreck me, please. Just don't wreck me. Don't wreck me. I know what's gonna happen. They're gonna fucking hit me, aren't they? Someone's gonna tap me. And it's probably gonna be Jameson. Huh? What do you reckon? Do you reckon we can finish this without getting fucked? I'm not sure.
Inside.
I'm not sure.
Inside.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
Inside.
I've got a really bad feeling about this. I got a really bad feeling about this. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. We're good, we're good. We're good. Please, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Yes! Fucking get in there.
There's the flag, it's over.
Great train, guys. Jameson, that was awesome.
Those guys kept pulling away from us, though. I don't know if they had lap cars up there helping them or what, but they were pulling away.
Yeah, we'd catch them by like a 10th or so a lap, but not the same progress we were making earlier. But it was fun running with you guys. I like that using your head train action there. Fun job, guys.
It's all about the
14 there, y'all got up to me. At 14 would rather race me than work with me, so I'm kind of glad that we left.
It's all
him
about the
behind.
Daytona train. That was awesome. That was absolutely awesome. It's all about the train, boys. I'll see you on the next one. I'm doing this one again. That was fun. I've got to see how we went through Trump. Well, what happened at the beginning as well? Where were we? Now just imagine if that was an SR and IR race. Mate, same here. Like, I don't know how I missed the first and the second one. Where did it all go wrong? I think we punted someone, or we kind of hit someone. What car were we? Car number 6. There we are. I think I might have caused the first one. Yeah, I caused the first one. Oh, but there was one in front of us, which we braked heavily for. So we got through that all right. Come on, guys. Where's the reaction to that? Got no love from the chat. Say well done, buddy. Well done. We had an awesome run and came 3rd. Thank you, Fly. We needed that. That was definitely needed. But that was good fun. Especially when we went through the trump car. And I just steamrolled through that one.